Hello everyone, my name is Olga. I'm from Colife Real Estate and Vacation Homes, and today I will show you one-bedroom apartment with this incredible view of Burj Khalifa. This is incredible investment opportunity as the cost of this apartment is 950,000 dirhams only, and we will rent this apartment out for 11,000 per month. And this apartment will generate you 7-8% ROI net. Not only will this apartment generate you rental income, but it will also appreciate in price. The average growth of our investors' properties in 2023 was 20%. This is one-bedroom apartment. The area is 44 square meters, and this is ideal for a single person or a couple. This is multifunctional kitchen area with all the built-in kitchen appliances you will need: washing machine, oven, cooker, and fridge, built-in fridge. The huge benefit of this apartment is this brand new bathroom. This is a brand new building, so everything is new, and there's a shower here. It's very important for rental. And here is the spacious bedroom with this huge wardrobe that will fit all your clothes. In Colife, we care about our future tenants, and our designers create space that will help them feel like home, and they care about every small little detail in the apartment. And there's a huge balcony in this apartment where you can spend your time with your friends and family and enjoy this incredible view of Burj Khalifa. We are Colife, a real estate and vacation homes company, and we are a full cycle investment company. We will help you to buy investment property. We will help you to do the renovation and to rent it out this property, and we will manage this apartment in the future.